At HSBC Invest, we're here to make your investment decisions easier, arming you with a 360-degree view of a stock's performance, spanning technical, fundamental, news and sentiment analysis, and trading ideas daily. So, let's take a look at how to get the most from your daily trading ideas email and how to use and make technical trends your friend. The daily trading ideas email should hit your inbox after market close, usually at 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time each day. It provides a panoramic view of securities, either through technical analysis or top shares trending in the media, overlaid with fundamentals, price momentum and sentiment. The report also includes 3 bullish and 3 bearish trading ideas. The general rule of thumb is that bullish stocks rise in price and bearish stocks fall. The email tells you, based on the prior day's close price, what trend pattern has formed according to analysis provider Trading Central. The report also includes news sentiment, trending charts, technical score, and quantamental rating. This report suggests the stock will move higher, that it is in a bullish trend, suggesting a continuation of the prior uptrend. This coverage tells us the stock is trending lower in a bearish trend, suggesting a continuation of the previous downtrend. So, let's take a closer look at a stock, Telecom Limited. This shows, based on its close price yesterday of $1.06, it's in an intermediate-term bullish uptrend, with the short-term price crossing the moving average pattern, meaning the stock is likely to go higher. And you can simply click trade and buy the stock from here, or you can find out more information. The chart tells us that the stock's recent trading history has formed a chart pattern suggesting its price movement is now pushing higher. Each blue line represents the high and low price for the day, while the line to the left marks the open price and the line to the right marks the closing price for the day. As we can see, the stock is on an upward trend. Trading Central's team have done the homework for you, telling you that a technical bullish pattern where the stock price has crossed the moving average has been identified, and in this state, the price is likely in an established uptrend. You simply need to know that a bullish uptrend has been identified. Based on this trading pattern identified, the technical analysts have plotted out where the stock is likely to move to, the green dot. The chart here also shows you where the moving average is going. And if we look down the bottom, the thick blue lines indicate daily trading activity, or the number of trades going through has declined slightly over the 2 months, indicating that there is a slightly less interest in the stock compared to last month. So, let's say you've done your homework and you like this stock. You can click trade and up comes the order pad. Alternatively, if you don't want to wait for your daily trading ideas email, or if you want more than 6 trading ideas, then head to HSBC Invest Trading Technical Insight Tool, powered by Trading Central. You'll see the most viewed bullish stocks for the day, the most popular stocks that clients are looking at over the last 90 days, what's trending now and has been over the last week, as well as the most viewed bearish stocks for the day. So let's dive deeper. Say you decide to invest 10% of your month's salary into a bullish company to grow your wealth. By hovering over each of these stocks, you can see what sector the company is in and what price the stock closed on the previous trading day. You can scroll across to see more or view all bullish ideas. Say you like a company, for example Lynas Rare Earths. You can click on it to see what the stock closed at yesterday, what sector it's in, and how it's performed. You can see a summary of the technical levels the stock has hit. This might look complicated, but it's simply telling you if it's in the short-term, intermediate, or long-term uptrend. Toward the bottom, you'll also see the price target based on the bullish trends. If you like the look of the stock, you can just click Buy Here, and the order pad will come up. So, there you have it. Finding trading ideas is simple and direct. Take the time to read HSBC Invest Trading Ideas email.